Yes, guys, just like I said I would. I actually went ahead and did all the upgrades on this bike. And I mean extensive upgrades. Hey, let me move my helmet. And my God, what I'm going to tell you right now is the power difference from 750 watt to 1500 watts. It's ridiculously powerful. I mean, it's when I go to hit the throttle, it's almost pushing me off the bike. Like I literally have to lean forward. This is not for a novice. I'm gonna say this again. This is not gonna be for a beginner. If you want to step up in speed, great, maybe go to something else. This here is for the big leagues, I'm telling you. And this is just a 1500 watt motor. And like I said in the video before, it's just got basic hydraulic brakes. I still haven't figured out how to get the PAS to work. I might have to check the wiring. Also went ahead and changed the shocks, and it's freaking night and day. And this battery here, I got it's a 52 volt battery. Oh my God, I was expecting some more power. I was not expecting this. I mean, every time you hit the throttle, it almost wants to do a wheelie, and I'm 270 pounds, man, maybe 260. And it's pushing me, damn near pushing me off the bike. So I'm telling you guys, man, if you're gonna do this upgrade, just know what you're in for. But like I said, it's fun. It's a nice ride. I did these BMX bars as well. They're like 10.5 inch. Also got me a new seat here from Amazon. It's got a little light in the back. See there, so it's extra little safety. But this bike is nothing to play with. I would say if this is gonna be your first bike or you've never been on a dirt bike, don't do it. Don't do this upgrade if you've never been on a dirt bike or you're not ready for serious power. I mean, this is so powerful. I may have to actually go to full hydraulic brakes because this is a lot. I mean, I was expecting power, but not like this jump in power. I mean, I thought my 750 watt was powerful. This is intense. I mean, this is the kind of speed. This bike is powerful. Wow. Holy moly. Already at 20 miles per hour, and it took me less than 3 seconds, and I'm already at PAS. I'm only on PAS 3. We go to 4, see what happens. Oh my goodness. 25, 26, 27. It's a lot of power. Let me give you guys an idea about the power in this thing. See that?